Hi, this is going to be a very Canva quick tip. As you may know, Canva changed its design, its screen when it announced Canva Create 2024. This came from Be Your Own Graphic Designer, and I'm just going to show you something that I've been getting stuck on and wasn't sure how to do. A really simple thing, but as you know, when apps change, always difficult to find how to use. So let's go over and share my screen and show you the issue I was having, which is how I put a title in. This was a video I had completed on using Speed Painter. Across the top, you can now see that there's nowhere to put the name of the file in. I looked under editing, it wasn't there. But if I go to file and click on that, it says untitled design. This is where I've now discovered you'll need to put the title of your design if you want it to appear. As I said, it's a very quick tip, and now my design has a name. I can't see that until I go back to my library. I hope that helped, and I'll catch up with you soon.